All right, then we have our grill and picnic area. A little picnic table here. You'll see more lights there as well. Yes, there is an on and off switch. It's gonna be right in here. So, you just turn this guy on or off, and we'll control those lights. Then we have our grill. It's a Trager wood pallet grill. It is super nice. You take the cover off. We have some pellets in there right now, but that's where you would put them. And then, you would turn it to the temperature that you needed and cook your food as you would on a regular grill. If you could just please remember to clean it off after you're done, that would be great. You can find the grill brush, the life vest, the fishing equipment, the wood pellets for the grill, some floaties, and the paddles. Those are the life vests in the bags. And we have a little putt-putt green golf course in this shed right here, right beside the grill area. And also, if you could please remember to put the cover back on the grill and shut off any lights that we left on outside before we head out, that would be amazing. Oh, hold on. Let me capture this boat to show you that people actually use the river a lot. So, boating, kayaking. Just remember your life vest.